Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to the new episode of Explore China with Asim. Viewers, this is the opening of the Chinese New Year. New Year is very near, means the 1st of the February. So this is the year of the tiger, because Chinese has the culture, every year they have one animal name. So this year is especially for the tiger. So I am at this corner of one supermarket. Here we will share with you how people decorate their home with these things and what things they use to decorate, how they celebrate the Lunar New Year and what kind of food they eat. So we will share with you. So I am at this corner. Here you can see around me are some kind of decorations. As you see, this is a tiger. So this is the tiger ear. They have made some kind of the toys, tiger toys. People hang this in their home or play with them. Also to decorate their home they use these kind of globes and this is one traditional style of the Chinese. Also I can show you something here. This is one kind of Beijing style. Even if you move to the Beijing restaurants, they also hang this kind of globes outside. So people will use this red color for the decoration of their home. And also one interesting thing, they will share the Hongbao. Hongbao is actually the one small money package. So you can see in this shop there are so many Hongbaos and people will buy from here. They will put some kind of money in it, some amount, and give to the kids to make them happy. This is just one kind of Eid as we give on the Eid. So you see many different styles, different colors. So this is one kind of their big celebration, a big year, and that is the Chinese Lunar New Year. Viewers, this is very interesting corner. You can see here is one card, and on this card there is one Chinese character. Actually this Chinese character is Fu, and Fu is for the fortune, means the happiness is coming to the new year. So people use this thing. And there is one more thing. This is the right side, and when they will hang outside their door, they will hang like this. This will show the reverse form or inverted form, means the welcoming, the happiness. So there are many styles of these cards are here. You see very beautiful fluffy 3D embossed Fu here. So similarly you can see this one even has the decoration with the fish. So this is also the coolness and the fortune, and this is with the Chinese baby monk and also some dragons, and also the Fu character is here. Viewers, here you can see these are the wall hangings, and I also want to share with you that in the history the Chinese was written from top to bottom. So these wall hangings were from top to bottom, and they use this to decorate their home in the especially in the Lunar New Year. And these characters are specifically having some kind of greetings, means in the different wall hangings there are the different kind of greetings. So people decorate with these greetings, happiness, to welcome the new year. Viewers, behind me you can see very amazing thing, and this is the Lunar New Year package for the kids. You can see this is the jumbo size for the snacks, and you see these snacks are with different taste, means the Thai taste, spring onion, and I don't know how much time will take one kid to finish this big package. Viewers, for the Lunar New Year decoration, the red color is very important. Around me you can see these are the gift packages. Some has the milk, some has the sweets, some are the dry fruits, some are the dry meat, and you see around me these all counters are with the red color and small packages, means these are the gifts. On the starting of the Lunar New Year, the people will give these kind of packages to each other to share the greetings with each other. Viewers, this is very famous brand, the Lay's, and you can see the tigers are also celebrating this Lay's collection, and you can come here if you have the kids, they will enjoy this thing. You see in the tiger ear there is the decoration of the tiger, and the tiger is eating the Lay's, so your kids will also like it. Viewers, dry fruit is one of the famous product that people give as a gift on the Lunar New Year, and you see on this counter there are the open dry fruits, this counter and that counter also, and they also decorate it with the tiger and the tiger decoration means just to show that this is the year of the tiger. And even you can test the dry fruit. Viewers, now I am in the hub of the candies, and you can see here are the mountains of the candies, a lot of types. These are the chocolates, you see golden kinds. These are the milk candies, these are other candies, and I want to share with you, and these are here also the chocolates. Viewers, in China they don't pack into the small packages, they keep the candies like this. Here everything is sold by the weight. The things that you like, you just choose, and then you just go to the counter and pay by the weight. And you see these are the cookies, small cookies, and these snacks are very good snacks for the kids. So for the Lunar New Year celebration, they have arranged a lot of candies here to make their kids happy. Do you like the chocolate? Very small package of the chocolate, you can see, so beautiful. And this is also the one Lunar New Year gift. You see the 9 package in one beautiful box, the red color box, and many beautiful things are here. Viewers, at this counter you can see they have beautifully packed the dry fruit, some kind of beans, nuts, as well as you can see here the nutritious grains they have packed here, and people come here to buy this and to gift to the families, as well as they can use at their own home. And here you can also see those same red color packages with the face of tiger, means everywhere in the supermarkets in the China this time if you move you can see that tigers are everywhere, because this is the year of the tiger. The last year was the year of buffalo, you can see everywhere the buffalo or the cow, and now here is the tiger. Viewers, now I am in between the counters of the cherry and the strawberry, and cherry is the one of the fruit of heaven. You see very beautiful cherry, big size. But I want to share with you, in China cherry price is very high, but today it is on a little bit promotion, so we are also going to buy this cherry. You see very beautiful packing. So this time I have chosen this one box. This is half kg box, so I am going to buy this one. Viewers, here you can see here is the strawberry, and the packing of the strawberry is very beautiful. This is the one layer packing, but the price is too high this time because the strawberry season is just started. You see they choose one strawberry and pack it very well. And also at this counter they have shown the big size of the pomegranate. I think this one pomegranate weight about 1 kg. Very big pomegranate. I can feel the weight of this one. Have you seen this size of egg? Actually this is the swan egg, and this egg is also available here. Even the birds eggs are available here, the duck eggs are available here, and the hen eggs are available here. You see these are the birds eggs, and these are very famous in China. They boil it and eat it. And also I can show you, these are the also the eggs, and these eggs are treated eggs. They boil it with the tea for the many days, or with the salted water they boil it, and it gives some kind of special taste inside it. Viewers, here is the Lunar New Year special product, and these are the some kind of sweets. These are the sticky rice with some kind of dry fruit, color, jellies, and you see these are actually the Chinese sweets, and these made by the sticky rice. This is their traditional style. You see here two color of rice, white and the brown rice, and this is with only brown. They put some kind of dry fruits, sweet taste, jellies, and dry fruits. Viewers, this is also one Lunar New Year gift, and what is this? I want to share with you. This is actually the full chicken, and this chicken is roasted chicken with the different kind of taste and the spices, and they pack it very well. You just buy this one and can give the gift to someone. Where the most important thing is this. You can see this is the dry meat, and you see the dry duck, dry chicken, and these are the minced meat of the different thing. In the China even they make the minced meat of the pork, they make the minced meat of the beef, they make the minced meat of the chicken and process it, and these all are the dry meat. They just means no need to cook it, just give roast it on the coal, or just you can roast it without oil and you can eat it. And here you can see, come here, not only from this family, the chicken and duck family, they also has the seafood family. And you see these are the dry prawn, dry squid, and here is the dry fish, and this is very beautiful. And you see the dry fish, just this is already processed. You see, just you need to roast it for a little bit on the coal or on the stove, and then you can eat. This is, you can see, very big size of the fish, and this is the dry fish, and it look like one pepper. Viewers, I need to buy this one, but before buying this thing we have to wait. So I am giving to the eye, so she will check how much is the weight and how much is the price of this thing. This is about 1.5 kg of the fish. And price for this is the 159.77 RMB. Viewers, China is the hub of the tea, and I want to share with you, they produce many kinds of tea. You can see this is the one form of the tea here. This is the lemon tea, means the dried lemon, they dry it. This is the rose tea, the flower tea, and even you can feel the fragrance of the rose, the real rose. And this is also one kind of the rose tea. Just put some amount of these rose or this tea into the boiling hot water, and after a few minutes you will have your tea. You can add the sugar or honey to make the taste. This is the jasmine tea. You see, there is a fragrance of the jasmine. Yellow flower tea. Even here is the sunflower tea also. And you see, this one is also very famous tea of the China. So if you come to the China, any variety of the tea or any name of the tea that you have listened in your life, you can buy from here. Viewers, one more detail I want to share with you. The Chinese people, they take the green tea in the summer and red tea in the winter. And this is also very special and the amazing detail about the Chinese people. So mostly in the winter time, they choose the tea that is the red tea. This is the processed tea. But the green tea, as I have shown you here, many kinds of tea. Viewers, here you can see this is the one gift pack for the Lunar New Year. And what is in it? Around it, various kind of mushrooms, and inside is the baoyu. Actually, this is one kind of oyster, and this is very expensive oyster, and this oyster is used to make different kind of soup, directly eaten or roasted, means as you like, you can have that form. But this thing with mushroom and with this oyster, they will make the soup. So this soup is one of the traditional food of the China, and they make this gift pack for the Lunar New Year. So this was also very amazing detail, that's why I shared with you. Viewers, it is not that in the China you cannot find the halal food. Halal food is available in every supermarket, and this is the beef and the mutton counter. I have the plan to buy the beef. You see, this is the sliced beef, and they have written very clearly this character. This is the Qingzhen. Qingzhen mean halal. So today they are giving one promotion. If we buy two and from the same category, they will give us one free. So today we are buying these three. US sweets are always be very famous and very common on the big celebrations, and you see here is the chocolates, very beautiful packing of these chocolates, and this is also for the special celebration of the Lunar New Year. So today we have shared with you a lot of decorations, a lot of special products for the Lunar New Year in the China. And if you move anywhere in the supermarkets of the China, you can see this kind of decoration everywhere. Hope you like our video. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel, like it and share it, and wait for the next episode. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.